Welcome to Amazing World Facts, where we delve into the most intriguing and awe-inspiring phenomena our planet has to offer. Today, we're taking you on a journey through Earth's astonishing impact craters. These colossal scars on our planet's surface tell a story of cosmic collisions and natural history, each one a testament to the immense power of the universe. So buckle up as we explore 10 must-see impact craters that will leave you absolutely mesmerized. Our first stop is Meteor Crater in Arizona, USA. Also known as Barringer Crater, this massive hole in the ground is about 1,200 meters in diameter and 170 meters deep. It was formed around 50,000 years ago when a nickel-iron meteorite about 50 meters wide slammed into the Earth at an estimated speed of 12.8 kilometers per second. Meteor Crater is one of the best preserved impact craters on Earth, making it a popular destination for scientists and tourists alike. The Visitor Center offers fascinating exhibits on meteor impacts and space exploration, providing a perfect blend of education and adventure. Next, we journey to South Africa to explore the Vredefort crater, the largest known impact structure on our planet. This UNESCO World Heritage Site spans an astonishing 300 kilometers in diameter and is estimated to be over 2 billion years old. The sheer size of the Vredefort crater means that much of its structure is eroded and obscured by geological activity. However, the central dome, known as the Vredefort Dome, offers a glimpse into the Earth's deep past and the incredible forces that shaped it. Hiking and guided tours are available, allowing visitors to experience this ancient wonder up close. Now let's travel back in time to the end of the Cretaceous period, about 66 million years ago. The Chicxulub crater, buried beneath the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, is infamous for being the site of the asteroid impact that led to the mass extinction of the dinosaurs. Measuring around 150 kilometers in diameter, the Chicxulub crater is mostly submerged and covered by sediment. Despite this, extensive drilling and research have uncovered vital clues about the impact event and its catastrophic effects on global ecosystems. While the crater itself isn't visible, the surrounding region offers unique insights into one of Earth's most dramatic moments. Our next destination takes us to Quebec, Canada, where the Manicouagan crater stands as one of the oldest and most visually striking impact structures. This annular, or ring-shaped crater is about 100 kilometers in diameter and was formed approximately 215 million years ago. At the heart of the Manicouagan crater lies René Levasseur Island, surrounded by the Manicouagan Reservoir. The crater's distinct ring shape is a result of erosion and glaciation over millions of years. Visitors can explore the area by boat, providing a unique perspective on this ancient geological wonder. Staying in Canada, we arrive at the Sudbury Basin in Ontario. Unlike other craters, the Sudbury Basin is oval-shaped, measuring 60 kilometers by 30 kilometers. It was formed about 1.85 billion years ago by a massive asteroid or comet impact. The Sudbury Basin is not only a geological marvel, but also one of the world's richest mining regions, yielding vast quantities of nickel, copper, and other metals. The combination of scientific significance and economic importance makes the Sudbury Basin a fascinating destination for both geologists and industry professionals. Next, we travel to India to discover the Lonar crater, a relatively young and well-preserved impact site formed around 52,000 years ago. This 1.8-kilometer-wide crater is unique because it is one of the few impact structures on Earth created in basaltic rock. Lonar crater features a saline lake at its center, surrounded by lush greenery and diverse wildlife. The contrast between the arid landscape and the vibrant ecosystem within the crater creates a mesmerizing spectacle. Visitors can hike down to the lake, explore ancient temples, and observe the unique flora and fauna that thrive in this microenvironment. Our journey continues to Western Australia, where Wolf Creek Crater offers a glimpse into the dramatic impact events of the past. Formed around 300,000 years ago, this nearly circular crater measures 875 meters in diameter and is one of the best preserved impact craters in the world. Wolf Creek Crater is a popular destination for adventurers and stargazers. The remote location provides clear skies for incredible nighttime views, while the crater itself offers an impressive sight from both the rim and the floor. The nearby Wolf Creek Meteor Crater National Park also provides opportunities for camping and exploring the rugged Australian outback. In the heart of Australia's Northern Territory lies Gosses Bluff Crater, also known as Norala. This 5-kilometre wide crater was formed around 142 million years ago, and its central ring of hills rises 180 metres above the surrounding plain. Gosses Bluff holds great cultural significance for the local Western Arrernte people, who have their own legends explaining its creation. Visitors to the crater can learn about these stories and the scientific theories behind its formation. The dramatic landscape and rich cultural history make Gosses Bluff a truly captivating destination. Heading back to Canada, we find the Pingualuit Crater in Nunavik. This pristine, water-filled crater measures 3.4 kilometers in diameter and reaches depths of over 400 meters. Formed about 1.4 million years ago, Pingualuit Crater is one of the youngest large impact craters on Earth. The lake within Pingualuit Crater is renowned for its exceptionally clear water, making it a strikingly beautiful sight. The crater is part of Pingualuit National Park, where visitors can engage in activities like hiking, fishing, and wildlife observation. The remote location and stunning natural beauty make Pingualuit Crater a hidden gem in the Arctic. Our final destination takes us to the island of Saaremaa in Estonia, home to the Kali Crater Field. This cluster of 9 meteorite craters, with the largest being about 110 meters in diameter, was formed around 4,000 years ago. The Kali Crater Field is not only a geological wonder, but also a site steeped in local folklore. According to legend, the craters were created by the thunder god Ukko. Today, visitors can explore the craters and learn about their formation through informative displays and guided tours. The combination of natural beauty and cultural heritage makes the Kali Crater Field a must-visit destination. And there you have it, 10 of Earth's most astonishing impact craters. Each of these incredible sites offers a unique window into the past, revealing the powerful forces that have shaped our planet. Whether you're a seasoned traveler, a science enthusiast, or simply someone with a sense of wonder, these craters are sure to leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Amazing World Facts for more incredible explorations of our world's wonders. Until next time, keep exploring.